Hello. This is going to be an irrefutable proof that this black swan image um, cannot be the result of refraction. It's impossible. So if you're not familiar with the black swan image, visit Quantum Eraser's channel. He has a few videos on it, so you can familiarize yourself with it so you have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. So a key fundamental facts about this image is that this oil rig is roughly 6.3 miles away from the camera, that the globe predicts that the horizon is roughly 1.5 miles from the camera. We can see from the image that the horizon appears to be further than both of these oil rigs. And some people have disputed whether this is the horizon. We know for certain, well, with a pretty good certainty, that there is water in between this rig and this rig. So we know that the horizon must be further than this space. If it's further than this space, and this space is beyond this rig, then the horizon appears to be at least further than 6 miles. And I'm going to show that that is impossible. That if the geometric horizon is 1.5 miles away, for it to appear 6 miles away and be obstructed by this oil rig. So a fundamental fact of light is the light comes to the camera. We do not see out. The light of the sun reflects off this oil rig and it arrives at the camera. The light from the sun reflects off the geometric horizon, and regardless of what path it takes, it arrives at the camera. So, show you a little diagram. This diagram shows a bunch of things. First things first, these straight rays represent no atmosphere, right? Straight lines, the light's traveling straight lines. Here's the geometric horizon. The line travels straight. This rectangle represents the camera sensor. So we have a geometric relation between these points. The oil rig, the horizon. So what Glover's claim is that there's refraction bending the light up, and the light, instead of appearing down here on the no atmosphere horizon, it appears higher. And that's fine. It can appear higher. But that's not the problem. The problem is that the rig is 3 times the distance of the geometric horizon and is blocking the light from the geometric horizon. This is blocking the geometric horizon. This means that the rays of light from the oil rig must overtake the refracted horizon ray. No matter how it's refracted, it could be bent way up here, it doesn't matter. It has to arrive at the sensor first before this ray in order to appear in front of it. There is no other way that this can happen. Okay? This ray would need to be superluminal, a faster than the speed of light ray, which in regular atmosphere, as far as we know, is an impossibility. Some people think that it's just impossible, period, to go faster than the speed of light. We know that this is a constant medium, that these rays will travel at roughly the same speed, and that this ray would have to arrive before the ray of the geometric horizon, no matter how high it appears on the sensor. Okay? So that's a simple proof that this image cannot be due to refraction.